Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss GP series, that is geometric progression of class 10th from chapter progressions. Okay, in the last video I have explained GP of example 1, right? So this is second example. So what is given here? Write GP if A equal to 256 and R equal to minus 1 by 2. So we know that A is a first term, that is T1, and R is a common ratio. Okay, first write down the what is given in the question, guys. So given that A equal to 256, that equal to T1, we can write T1 or A. Okay, R equal to common ratio, that is given as minus 1 by 2. So we need to find the GP series. So steps are very important for any sum. Okay, so to find the T2 term, that is second term or third term or fourth term or any term in the GP series, we should know the first term and also the common ratio. If we know the first term and the common ratio of GP series, we can find any term in the given series. So we know first term, right? That is given in the question. So find second term T2, that is A into R, that is A dot R, that equal to A is given as 256 and R is minus 1 by 2. So simplify, you will get minus 128, because 256 can be written as minus 2 power 8 into minus 1 by 2, where 2 power 8 by 2 get cancelled, we will get 2 power 7 into minus 1, we get minus 128. So similarly T3 can be, that is third term, it can be written as A into R square, where A is the first term and R square is common ratio, we have to square it. Okay, so substitute the values and simplify, we will get 64. And T4 is a fourth term, that is A dot A into R cube. So substitute the values, that is A value is 256, that is minus 1 by 2 whole power 3, simplify, you will get minus 32. Therefore they are asking to find the GP series. So how the GP series will be there? A comma AR square, AR power 3, so on, AR power n. So substitute the values. The first term is given in the question itself, that is 256, and second is we got, that is minus 128, third is 64, fourth is minus 32, so on. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. So in the next video we are going to discuss example 3 of GP series of other model. Thank you for watching.